Hey y'all, today in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can ping everyone on Discord without mentioning. Without any further ado, let's begin. I've made a pastebin link so you can copy the text easily. Just head on to this link from the description and copy this text. Now you can paste it anywhere on your Discord server. You can change the message to anything you like and it still will ping everyone. However, don't remove any of these lines or it will not work. Now let me send this message on the staff channel because of course, I don't want to ping everyone. As you can see, the text's background is yellow. And on my alt account, you can clearly see that I got a ping. There are some conditions though. 1. You must have the permissions to ping everyone in the server you're using this in. 2. You must be on a desktop because this can't be done on mobile devices. 3. This is the most important one. If you learned anything new today, would you mind pressing the like button for me? It's only a matter of seconds and helps me massively as a small creator. Also, if you like this type of content, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload. Have a great day or night.